This is our incinerator. This is the window for inserting the used napkins. Here we have this switch which will turn on the heater. This is the ash tray. Here is the MCB. The MCB is now in the off position. Turn it to the on position. Then the green light will glow, which means that the incinerator is ready. Open the window. Insert used napkins inside. 1 or 2 napkins at a time can be inserted. Close the window and then switch on the button. As soon as the red light glows, it means that the incinerator has been turned on. This will take 9 to 10 minutes for the napkins to burn completely, and then the red light will be automatically switched off. Only the green light will be glowing, indicating that the next napkins can be inserted. The surface of the incinerator will be very hot, so please do not touch it. We can remove the ash using this ash tray. Thank you.